Hey guys, it's Michael here from Happy English, and today I'm going to start a new series of lessons on modal verbs. Modal verbs. You know, words like must, have to, had better. A lot of my students say that modal verbs are tricky to learn and hard to remember, and they're right. That's because they are tricky. Sometimes one modal verb has several meanings or uses. But don't worry, because in this series of videos, we're going to look at everything. Are you ready? Let's check it out. First of all, we're going to talk about must. Must shows necessity, and this necessity comes from a rule or a law that we need to follow. When you must do something, there is no choice. So, among all of the modal verbs, must has the strongest meaning. When you travel abroad, you must have a passport. You must have a passport. So the necessity comes from the law. When you're driving, you must stop at a red light. You must speak quietly in this library. Must can also be used when the speaker feels that the situation is urgent. So, the feeling of necessity comes from the speaker's belief that it's an urgent situation. Yes, I must talk to the doctor right now. It's urgent. Sorry, there's an emergency. I must use your phone. We also can use must when we give our opinion. And using must in this way has the nuance of I'm sure of it, or I'm sure that it's true. Wow, you worked overtime every day this week. You must be tired. In this case, you must be tired means I'm sure that you're tired. So in this case, must doesn't mean necessity. Must means I'm sure of it. You've worked overtime every day this week. You must be tired. Wow, you must like pizza. You ate 5 slices. Wow, Tommy must be stuck in traffic. He's never late for work. And one more point. The negative form of must is must not, but the meaning is prohibition. In other words, don't do that. You must not smoke in this building. It means smoking is prohibited here. You must not pass a red light without stopping. You must not speak in this library. Okay, those are the different ways that we use must. Next time, we're going to look at have to. How about you? What's something that you must do every day? Why not leave a comment and let us know? Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll catch you guys next time right here at Happy English. Catch you later.